Hi, this is Wesley with Napco Tech Support. Today we will be reviewing how to change the battery in your Napco GEM-TRANSLP Wireless Transmitter. Please feel free to share this video with your end user. We will need two size screwdrivers, one medium-sized flat tip, and the other will be a smaller flat tip. Now let's begin. We will need to locate the notch on the bottom or top of the transmitter, or left or right if mounted horizontally. Let's take our medium-sized screwdriver and insert it in that notch and twist. The cover will pop loose and you can remove it now. This is an older style TRANSLP. You'll notice the two prongs on one side of the battery. Please make sure to not bend or move these prongs. Now it's time to replace the battery. Here we see the prongs again. We want to make sure that we do not pry from this end, as moving or breaking these will cause the battery to not make a connection. Instead, we will focus on the opposite side of the battery next to the tamper switch button. Take your smaller flat tip screwdriver, wedge it in the gap, and twist. The battery will pop out very easily. Now let's install a new battery. Please make sure you slide the battery under the two prongs which are on the opposite side of the tamper switch button. Now press down on the other side until the battery pops into place. If your transmitter does not have the prongs to one side, that means you have a newer style TRANSLP, and we will go over that process next. On the newer style, we see there are no prongs on either side, but we still want to remove the battery from the side next to the tamper switch button. Again, we will take our smaller screwdriver, wedge it in the gap, and twist to remove the battery. To replace the battery, simply slide the battery in and press down on the side next to the tamper switch button to secure it in place. Now let's put the transmitter back on its base. Make sure you install it properly. Notice the raised piece on the base. This must line up with the tamper switch button on the transmitter. Now let's replace the transmitter on its base. Turn the transmitter around, position it over the base, and press gently on the top and bottom to secure it to the base. We have now successfully replaced the battery in our TRANSLP. The battery used by the TRANSLP is a CR2032 and can be found most anywhere batteries are sold. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Dealers, again, please feel free to share this video with your end user. Thanks for watching and for choosing Napco security products.